Hey guys, it's your girl Angel, and for today's video, we're gonna learn 3 uncommon Filipino words. Our first word is awangan. In English, it means forever, for all future time, for always. And now we're gonna use it in a sentence. Mula sa puntong ito hanggang awangan, ikaw ay mananatili sa aking puso't isipan. And now we are up to our second Filipino word, that is pagsamo. In English, it is request, an act of asking formally or politely for something. Huwag mong pabayaan ang iyong sarili. Naway, pagbigyan mo ang aking huling pagsamo dahil labis kong hinanais ang iyong kasiyahan. For our last Filipino word, it is pahimakas or the last goodbye. This word is used to say your final goodbye or your last farewell. To use it in a sentence, ito ang aking pahimakas. Maaari mang hindi na tayo muling magkikita pa, ngunit ang ating mga alaala ay hindi kailanman mabubura. That is all for our video, guys. I hope you learned something and you were interested in the 3 uncommon Filipino words I've introduced. This was again your girl Angela. Until next time.